Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Look who I found! It's Bullseye! I bet you're out here for some fresh air. This forest is always so refreshing, and just look at all these trees full of berries. They're delicious. Can you tell me what kind of fruits these are, Bullseye? Is it an orange? A watermelon? A lemon? An apple? That's right! Good job, Bullseye! That fruit is an apple. Now, can you tell me how many apples there are in that tree? Oh, my friends, I don't know either. Do you think you can help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, there are 10 apples in that tree. Now let's pick these apples and make a delicious apple pie. I can smell it already. I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you later.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!